Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on this upcoming combustion of the planet Saturn. Now guys, because of Saturn's distance from the planet Sun on Feb 28th, Saturn will get into the combustion, and from Feb 28th till April 9th it is going to be staying in that combustion mode. Now guys, like the way it has been explained in the books like Brihadarashtra Shastra and by the scholars like Varahamir, it has been explained that Saturn, which controls over the masses, Saturn which also controls the oil prices, or this could be those things which comes from under the earth. Saturn also represents the masses as well. So generally it has been seen, just because Saturn is going to be getting combust because of the planet Sun, which represents the ruling class, people in the power. So generally it has been seen that the way the global leaders are going to be behaving, the kind of policies which is going to be getting formed. So generally people do not accept it with open arms. You will find a lot of the protest or resistance over there. So especially in the cases like the way, for example, even if you have to take up the case of like whatever is happening right now in the Europe, whatever is happening in the Russia Ukraine front and all, so this might not be a very good news. There's going to be a lot of the like hurtful sentiments which people have to deal with. Along with that guys, when we talk about in our personal lives as well, so Saturn, which represents our work ethics, during this time you have to be mindful, because in the original Kalpurush Kundli as well, Sun has got a rulership over the Leo sign. So that simply means that whatever you have to do and whatever you are doing, just try not to get affected by the judgment of other people. Try not to be too impressionable. You might have to work very hard. And guys, the concern over here is that it's not only that Saturn is going to be getting combust in one zodiac sign. It is also going to be changing the signs as well. So whatever result is going to be coming to you, it might vary when Saturn is going to be staying combust in the Aquarius, and it will be entirely different when it will enter in the Pisces sign as well. But one thing is for sure guys, that during this time you have to work very hard. Try not to cut any corners. And along with that, we say this thing that because for any of the concerns connected with the planet Saturn, like trying to construct a house, buy a house, laying foundation to something, any of the political campaigning and aspiration of yours, so just try to project a very humble kind of image. Do not let the pretentiousness and ego and importance of the Sun to affect the purity of your hard work. That's all what I'm trying to say. So okay guys, now we will shift our discussion customized to all the rising signs, that how this combustion of the planet Saturn is going to be influencing you. So guys, starting first with the Aries Lagna natives. So guys, in your case, Saturn has got a rulership over your 10th house and the 11th house of your career and house of your income, and it is going to be getting combust because of the involvement of your 5th lord. So that simply means that try not to be very greedy during this time, especially if you work in a line of work where independent consulting or limelight, media, too much of the self-importance or stock market, all of that is involved. So you have to be very cautious, you have to be very careful, like protect yourself. Second thing is that yes guys, during this time there might be a slowdown. So it's not like that Saturn is going to be entering in a boundary or territory when there is going to be the whole influence of the solar eclipse, but Saturn is also going to be entering the sign in a combust state as well. So, and I guess that is the only reason at the time when I explained the monthly horoscope for the month of the March for all the rising signs, I explained this thing. Try not to do or bring any abrupt change in the smooth flow of your professional undertakings. Try not to do a major shift or resetting things. Let it be the way it is. I would say that slightly April and then May is going to be the time when the water is going to be calm. But yes guys, you might have to work hard and just protect yourself from too much of the self-importance. That's all what I can say. Now guys, when we talk about the Taurus Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, Saturn is going to be getting combust in your 10th house, and it is also going to be entering in the state of combustion in your 11th house as well. Now guys, in your case, the planet which is making your 9th and the 10th lord combust, the planet which is making your ninth and the 10th lord combust is your fourth lord. So that simply means that during this time there might be too much of the emotional pressure which might slow down the Taurus natives. This could be some sort of family responsibilities as well which might come in the way or which might slow you down as well. So in those cases guys, you have to be emotionally, mentally prepared. Like the way guys, even at the time when I explained the results of this upcoming transit of the planet Saturn, I mentioned this thing very clearly that it's not going to be kind of a vulnerable transit of Saturn. Saturn is a Yogarak planet for you. It is actually entering in a good house, in a good sign. So I mean to say it is going to give you result. But yes, during this time, I would say that there's going to be a lot of the push and pull and tug of the war which the Taurus Lagna native might have to experience just in order to balance their family and their domestic responsibilities and how to balance it with their work life as well. During this time guys, there might be some inconvenience, slow down in the matters of the travel, documentation, visa, immigration related matters and all. So just be patient, even if there is going to be some delay, but if it is happening for the good, just be patient. That's all what I can say. But yes guys, beyond any doubt, our travels might experience a slowdown and the career undertakings and the flow of the money and the income might also experience a slowdown during this time. Refrain from laying foundation to any of the construction related matters during this time. Now guys, when we talk about the Gemini Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, Saturn has got a rulership over your 8th house and the 9th house, and now it is going to be getting combust in your 9th house, and in the same state it will enter in your 10th house as well. So guys, to begin with, during this time, if there are any of the travels, visa, immigration, lawsuit related concerns, if all of that is getting applicable in your case, so you have to be cautious, you have to be careful. The thing is, there might be slowdown, like whatever thing which you were doing with much of the efficiency and the speed, during this time you might have to put extra efforts. Along with that guys, be mindful of this fact that this Saturn is getting combust because of your third lord. So that simply means that try not to be very impulsive and just be very mindful, be respectful to the people around you, and just try not to multitask too many things or having too much on your platter which you're not able to execute or manage properly. But yes guys, if I were to say, the slowdown is happening in the matters of the 9th house and the 10th house. So yes, just whatsoever advice is coming your way, take it with a pinch of salt. Do not be too very sensitive towards the criticism or opinion or judgment of people around you. And let's say for example, if there are like certain delays which is happening in the acquisition of any visa, documentation related work or something, so take it with a pinch of salt or be very optimistic. That's all what I can say. Beyond any doubt guys, there is definitely going to be slowdown, and just because it is going to be impacting the normal pace of your work. So this is how the planets are saying. So even we are helpless in front of the cosmos and the nature. Now guys, when we talk about the Cancer Lagna natives, so guys, in your case it is going to be slightly beneficial time for you because in your case, Saturn in the 8th house is a very formidable energy to deal with. And now just because it is going to be getting combust, so whatever way Saturn has been slowing you down, so I would say that yes, you might find for a small span of time your power back. Along with that guys, during this time, because this combustion is happening because of the involvement of the second lord as well. So this could be a case that just because whatever things you have been right now engaged in, so the family duties, responsibilities, additional expenses might be a matter of concern. But again guys, if I were to say, if you're already working as an occultist or something to do with the research, investigation and all, so there's going to be release over there as well. In whichever way Saturn was slowing you down, you will find the clarity, you will find the deeper insight, penetrating insight that can be said with confidence. So yes guys, in your case, if there have been lately some issues within the marriage as well, because guys now Saturn has to leave its boundaries, and the boundaries of the Saturn is 7th and the 8th for you. So let's say for example, before Saturn giving final goodbye to the Cancer Lagna natives, in whichever sphere or capacity it has been putting you into the trial, the test and trials of the life, and all those kind of differences which you have been experiencing within your matrimonial life, or any of the ancestral property related concerns and all, I would say that there might be some time of the clarity for the Cancer Lagna natives before Saturn will make its final move. So guys, especially for the Cancer Lagna natives, it is not that much bad, but yes, because your second lord is making Saturn go combust, so this could be a case that in your matrimonial life, you know, in those kind of families, I see that in India, in joint families, that you know, where couples fight because of you know, involvement of girls' parents and the girls' in-laws. So yes, there might be some bone of contention or conflict in a couple's life because of some miscoordination between the parents and the in-laws. So just be very mindful of that. Now guys, when we talk about the Leo Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, Saturn is going to be getting combust in your 7th house, and it will also make its journey towards your 8th house as well. So guys, to begin with, just because in your case it is equally vulnerable and hazardous, because Sun, which is going to be making this Saturn go combust, is your ascendant lord as well. So guys, all what I can say is that your own energy is going to be burning the matters of your relationship as well. So just try not to be too forceful. Try not to be too forceful or commanding, domineering, or controlling in the matters of the business affairs, even in the matters of the relationship as well. Because again guys, before Saturn is going to be leaving your 7th house, you do not want Saturn to give you a final knee jerk kind of a dent before it is like finally going. So boom. So I mean to say, yeah, so your own energies, your own expectation, your own judgment might come in the way. Even guys, from the matters of the sustenance of the relationship, camaraderie in the relationship, this combustion is not a very good energy. So yes, for the Leo Lagna natives, they have to be slightly careful, especially people who are connected with the government and something, people who are holding any important position in the society, in the community. They might have to experience very severe kind of public backlash. So yes guys, be very prepared for that. And yes, all what I can say is that yes, because your ascendant lord is a part of that, and the 7th and the 6th lord is involved in this combination. So for the Leo Lagna natives, it's going to be the testing and the challenging times which they have to deal with. Now guys, when we talk about the Virgo Lagna natives, so guys, for the Virgo Lagna natives, in your case, Saturn has got a rulership over your 5th house and the 6th house, and now it is going to be getting combust in your 6th house. So guys, like the way we say this thing, that Saturn is a good planet for you in certain houses. Even if Saturn is going to be getting combust, that simply tells about that yes, in whichever way it was making you go through the hardship, now there's going to be a release over there for a short span of time. Along with that, how come your 5th and the 6th lord is getting combust? It is getting combust because of your 12th lord. So that also tells about that guys, if I were to say during this time, like you know, being open to the you know, any of the, what do you call that, you know, when the audit happens and you get to know that okay, where the problem is, or I would say that this could be a very good time for the Virgo Lagna natives. Even if you have to get any of your body checkup, medical checkup done, this could be a good time. You want to do a proper audit and fact check or self introspection, it might be a good time for that as well. So yes guys, the 12th house lord is making your 5th and the 6th lord combust. I'm not seeing it that much vulnerable. And even in general, 6th house is the house of the hardship. Saturn has been making you go through and imbibe, inculcate those discipline and the humanitarian qualities and all. There's going to be a release. And let's say for example, for all those kind of people who are actually going through any of the lawsuit related issue or concerns and all, so over there as well, there might be some sort of clarity which will come to you. Justice will be served. And all what I can say guys, that just utilize this time for your own audit, your own self introspection, and you will find the path. So it's not that much vulnerable for the Virgo Lagna natives. Now guys, when we talk about the Libra Lagna natives, so for the Libra Lagna natives, Saturn is going to be getting combust in your 5th house. From the 5th, it will move to your 6th house as well during its same state of combustion. Now guys, we also have to give attention that which planet, which house lord is making your 4th and the 5th lord combust. That is your 11th lord. So that simply means that guys, just do not get affected by other people's opinion, other people's judgment. Do not let other people walk over you. So you have to maintain that proper healthy boundaries. That will become very important, because otherwise, in certain cases where you and your wife, you are happy in your relationship, but just because you went to a social gathering or someone passed a comment or someone said something and which created a differences in your own relationship and all. So yes, just be impervious and towards these kind of opinions, judgment, and a third person problem. That is the first thing which I want to say. Your 4th and the 5th lord is getting combust. So if there has been some ongoing construction work which is happening in the life of a Libra Lagna person, there might be a slowdown or some sort of delay in those kind of matters. Along with that guys, the students have to be very mindful. Do not be very overconfident. This is going to be the time when you have to increase the level of your efforts and just be refrained from the overconfidence. I have a lot of stories of my childhood and school time. Okay, I will not be distracted. I'll share in some other video. But yes, so guys, all what I can say is that in the matters of the 5th house, yes, while parenting your children and all, so it might be slightly exhausting for the Libra Lagna natives, that suddenly you feel that okay, every pressure is building up all around and you are the only one who's left to handle the kids, handle the work, and handle all the chores of the house and all. So yes, on a mental plane, this might be slightly pressure giving time. So yes guys, for the Libra Lagna natives, there's a lot of the do's and don'ts which they have to follow. So be very mindful. Do not get affected by other people's opinion. Do not bring the judgment of other people and spoil the peace in your house. If you have to ongoing any of the construction related matters, be very mindful. There might be delays. You might have to work hard, pump extra money, and for the students, they have to increase their efforts, and like children might be draining you of your energy during this time. So be very mindful of that. And slightly guys, people who are like too much involved into stock market trading and all, just take calculative risk and all. And same is the case guys for the artist and the creative people. Again, the same thing. Do not be affected by the opinion and the public response of your art, of your work. You are Libra, you are the best. Okay guys, now when we talk about the Scorpions, my friend Scorpions. So for the Scorpio Lagna natives guys, in your case, Saturn has got a rulership over your 3rd house and the 4th house, and in the transit it is going to be getting combust in your 4th house in itself, and in the same state of combustion it will move to your 5th house. And the planet which is responsible for this combustion is your 10th lord. So guys, simply put, there is going to be a heightened work pressure which you have to deal. Along with that, people who are already working as a realtor, laying foundation to any work, ongoing construction work, be very mindful of that during this time. Either something might slow you down. That's all what I can say. And yes guys, there's going to be a lot of the judgment, lot of the public opinion which is going to be bothering those people who are in any capacity holding any seat of power. Like if you're operating in the public domain and all, so guys, during this time your conduct will be put in the scrutiny. You will be questioned for your conduct, for your actions, for your wrongdoings. So be very mindful and responsible for that. So yes guys, that's all what I can say for the Scorpio Lagna natives, that yes, too much of the judgment and opinion is coming their way, pressure is coming their way. Just do not expect your bosses to be nice during this time, and just not get into any conflict, any argument. Whatever they are giving it to you, whatever is coming your way, just take it with a pinch of salt or open arms, rather than making things more troublesome for you. Now guys, when we talk about the Sagittarius Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, Saturn becomes your second and the third lord, it is going to be getting combust in the third, and then in the same situation it will move to your fourth house. So now guys, in your case, the planet which is going to be making your Saturn combust is your ninth lord as well. So yes guys, there's going to be a lot of the what do you call that, the moral pressure which is going to be pulling the Sagittarius Lagna down during this time. So be very mindful guys, whatever step you will take during this time, first take it with proper conviction, and once you have put yourself or you have committed yourself to something, just give your 100% into it. Because sometimes what happens is that, you know, when people are dilly-dallying, people are just, you know, lopping from one side to another side. It's a yes, it's a no, and then you give your yes, and then you are a part of it, and then you are again self-doubting yourself. So during this time, the moral compass needs to be measured. Second thing is that guys, especially people who are in the family business, people who are in any of the any of the Saturnian business, fields connected with Saturn. This could be construction material, this could be management of the labor, this could be oil, mineral, refinery, astrology, occult, working as a Vastu consultant. So there might be a slowdown in the continuity of the work, or the inflow of the money, or the clients, or the business, or the work inquiries. So be very mindful over there. So yes guys, but the good thing is that guys, even if like Sun is making your second and the third lord combust, but the vibration is coming from the house of purity, the house of the divinity and the devotion. So I'm very much sure that whatever is going to be happening, or whatever is going to be slowing you down, it is going to be for your good, for your own advantage only. So yes guys, and do not be very boastful during this time. Because let's say for example, if you're being very boastful that okay, any of the matter in the family, I'm the one who can handle everything, give all the responsibility to me, or this could be even amongst the friends as well. So shouldering too many responsibility might drain you down in itself, rather than giving any substantial returns. So be very mindful of that. Take only that much in your hand which you can execute or you can handle well. Now guys, when we talk about the Capricorn Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, this is your like ascendant lord in itself, and it is going to be getting combust first in the second house, and then in the same state it will move to your third house. Now guys, important is that the planet which is making this planet of yours go combust is your eighth lord, Sun. So guys, during this time there might be a slowdown in the matters of the inflow of the money. You might struggle in order to save money, or in certain cases other people might be eyeing your income, your saving, or we say this thing that the evil eye, unforeseen circumstances, and something happened and the loss happened and all. So yes guys, you have to guard the matters of your income, your money, and something like the way we say this thing that I hope you have proper insurance in check, the antiviruses in your system in proper check and all. So this is how we can say, because the combustion is happening because of the 8th house lord. So be very mindful of that. And yes guys, during this time the family duties and responsibilities might drain Capricorn Lagna natives. Along with that, health might be slightly vulnerable as well guys, because Saturn is beyond any doubt, it is going to be transitioning in the state of combustion on the day of the eclipse. In any case, it's not a very good energy. So guard your health and be very mindful of not shouldering too much responsibilities, because it is going to drain you of your energy for sure. Now guys, when we talk about the Aquarius Lagna natives, so guys, for the Aquarius Lagna natives, Saturn is going to be getting combust in your first house, and in the same state of combustion it will move to your second house as well. So guys, during this time, see, in a way it is not that bad. Like the way I mentioned for the Cancer Lagna, same is the way for the Aquarius Lagna. Saturn is like a very powerful, formidable force sitting right over there on your head. Now if it is getting combust, it means there is a slightly drainage of the intensity of the planet Saturn, which is going to be working out in your favor. The only thing is that guys, because the 7th lord of yours is making this Saturn go combust, so the partner might be very demanding. If you're already working in a public domain, so there will be high expectation, the moral code which will be expected out of you. So just try to maintain the proper discipline, the code of conduct. Following that during this time will become very important, and just do not try not to get into any conflict, because the more you are going to be resisting something, you will be paving path to more backlash, more opposition. So just accept things the way it is. Along with that, I already mentioned, partner might be very domineering, like your spouse or something might be very controlling, very domineering during this time. And yes guys, in terms of the health, I'm not seeing you guys that much vulnerable. Health is not that matter of vulnerability. It's just like that the control and influence of your partner and other people, public, you know, if you're already working as a politician and all, so that is going to be a matter of concern. Too much of the judgment and the public opinion might affect you. But during this time guys, it has been generally seen, if you're planning to launch or release any of the dream project, or you're a part of something big, it will give you good visibility, good limelight. Now guys, when we talk about the Pisces Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, Saturn is your 11th and the 12th lord, and it is going to be getting combust in your 12th house in itself, and in the same state it will move to your first house. So guys, for certain cases, for the Cancer Lagna, for the Pisces Lagna, Saturn in the 12th house, if its power is getting slightly weak, it is getting combust, it's not that vulnerable energy. Second thing is that it is getting combust because of the 6th lord. So yes guys, the 6th lord is making it go combust in the 12th house. So health needs to be monitored. Do some charities, do some donation. People who are already operating, working in the fields of the healing, or you're working in the medical, nursing, you're working in the hospitals, you organize retreat and something, you're a Kundalini yoga teacher, practitioner, it's going to be beneficial time for those people. Travels might be very draining during this time. So undertake only that much responsibility of your friends, of your family, which you can handle. If you're planning to go for a 3-nation or back-to-back, international trips and travels, that might be slightly draining for the Pisces Lagna natives, but it is not that much bad. Whatever slowdown you would have been experiencing during this short period of time, there might be spike in the flow of the money as well. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.